Can someone help me? I fell in the trapdoor. No, seriously, can someone go help me? Jail warden! Jail warden! Oh no! I'm not in my cell. I can't go to the toilet. Oh my mommy, I'm stuck in a trapdoor without a toilet. And I need to go boom boom. Where'd my mouth go? It's too crazy that it disappeared. Okay then. I'll figure out how to get out eventually.